Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Guys, if it's your first time here, please consider hitting the subscribe button. You will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. Alright, so we are reacting today to Polo G RAPSTAR. Polo G RAPSTAR. I just came across this artist, so I thought, why not? Let's jump in and see what he's got to offer. We are breaking down, so we are pausing every 10 seconds to break down the lyrics of the song. If it is not for you, if I'm pausing too much, keep it moving. I understand it's not for everyone, okay? A lot of people like to make it run, but I like to make, if I'm breaking down, especially from a Jamaican audience, them, like to make it, you know, break it down properly. You understand? So, we're breaking down the lyrics content, alright? So, big up everybody that's new here. Big up the original subscribers. Let's jump straight tonight and see what is what. Let's go.
Shout out my nigga Cinco.
Yo, the video just started. The video clean. Video clean like Jesus Police record. The video is clean like Jesus Police record. You can see it. Watch it.
Cop the BMW, new deposit, I picked up another bag, like fuck it, I'ma count while I'm in it.
Yo, when the video just start, I see a bag of cash. Then him say him cop the BMW. Him walk past about 4 BMW now. See? And I can guarantee you he's paying by cash. He's paying by cash. That's the lifestyle that Polo G is living. Big up yourself, Polo G. Let's go.
I had planes flying, crowds screaming, money counting chains, clanking shit. I guess that's how it sound when you winning. I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 a minute.
Does it sound like I'm kidding? Does it sound like I'm joking? Does it sound like I'm making a joke? Does it sound like I'm Kevin Hart? Do I look like a joker? The man said, listen, I've been making 2,000 a minute. 2,000 a minute, dog. Brother. $2,000 a minute? Some people ain't even making that a month.
So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gonna drown when I'm in it. I bet she gonna get loud when I'm in it. And we might have a child up.
Up to the cloud. Basically, he might tell you, oh, basically, in lifestyle, him up in the cloud. Let him keep with the same flow. Saying the same thing but in a different meaning. Him say she probably gonna scream loud when I'm in it. Well, him she gonna scream loud. You understand? So play on words there. Hear the part again. He's playing on words here. Talented.
Making like 2,000 a minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gonna drown when I'm in it.
You see me? 2,000 a minute. I up to the cloud, I'm swimming. And she probably gonna drown when I'm in it. Alright, yeah.
Minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gonna drown when I'm in it. I bet she gonna get loud when I'm in it.
The rhyme is tight.
And we might have a child. I don't love a hoe after we fuck, she can't get near me. Only bitch I give a conversation to a Siri.
What a fucking rude boy. Only bitch I give a conversation to is Siri. Only bitch. Siri, what's my name? Oh, phone up on silent. Wait. This is the only bitch I give a conversation to. Listen. Siri. No, wait. Siri, what's my name?
You're asking me? Gangster for life?
Gangster for life. Siri know the score. Siri know the bloody score. I am gangster for life. Let's go. She beautiful also. Very beautiful.
My pants are mirrored. Yes, I want it clearly. I'm the chosen one, see my potential, so they fear me.
I'm the chosen one. Them see my potential, so them fear me. So he's climbing so fast. Them see the potential, so them fear him. Don't make them harm you, don't my friend. Don't make them harm you. Keep on doing your thing, bro.
Lately I've been praying, God, I wonder, can you hear me? Thinking about the old me, I swear I miss you dearly. Stay down till you come up, I've been sticking to that theory.
He must say, him missing the all him. The all him. I'm not sure what he used to do before this, but maybe his life wasn't so ethic. Maybe he wasn't so busy. Maybe he wasn't so popular, because when you get popular, you cannot do certain things anymore. You cannot do certain things. You cannot go certain places that you used to do as a regular civilian. You're a superstar now. So the title of the track name RAPSTAR. So speak for yourself.
Every day a battle, I'm exhausted and I'm weary. Make sure I smile in public when alone, my eyes teary.
See, look there. I just mentioned it. Look, he's a rap star now. So any building him walk out of, you're gonna have this problem. You're gonna have this issue. You understand? Paparazzi everywhere.
I fought through it all, but that shit hurt me severely. I've been getting high to hide behind my insecurities. Taking different pills, but I know it ain't.
So basically, him just said, I've been getting high basically to hide my insecurities. So he's been trying different things to hide him insecurities. But if you drink, you get drunk, you hide it. You smoke, you get high, you hide it. Take pills, you hide it. But once that wear off, it is back again. So you go seek some professional help before you end up doing something that you shouldn't be doing.
Out the BMW, new deposit, I picked up another bag. Like fuck it, I'ma count while I'm in it. I had planes flying, crowds screaming, money counting chains, clanking shit.
This is the fucking life. This is the life. You dip on your private jet. Dip on a private jet. You play chess and you drink champagne. Not no Moet champagne, no. Big up to Moet, but not Moet champagne. The most expensive champagne they can get on the market. That is what the boss is drinking. That is the life of a superstar.
I guess that's how it sound when you win it. I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming.
When him said that, I ain't joking. Does it sound like I'm kidding? I've been making 2,000 a minute. Me feel that. Even if I lie my tell, I'm very gullible. I'm gonna believe that. I believe that line so much. It's convincing. It's convincing.
I'm probably gonna drown when I'm in it. I bet she gonna get loud when I'm in it. And we might have a child when I'm finished.
We're gonna have a child when I'm finished. So basically, I'm tell you, when I'm done, bam, 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 bam to the girl, I'm gonna have a child when I'm finished. Bars.
Never put out a weak verse, homicides when we learn.
Oh, wait, what's up, verse?
And we might have a child when I'm finished. Never put out a weak verse, homicides when we learn.
Them say I'm Pac rebirth, brother. Tupac rebirth. I never put out a weak verse. Them said I'm Tupac rebirth. I never put out a weak verse. Bumbleclad. Bars. Fire. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, big up yourself. I'm not plugging you. Big up yourself.
Stuff to my feet hurt. When putting
What's about them feet hurt?
never put out a weak verse, homicides when we lurk. I'm stuck to my feet hurt. When putting them streets first, white tees turn burgundy t-shirts.
I'll be putting the street shirt, the street first, white tees and burgundy t-shirts. So I'm either white t-shirt or burgundy t-shirt. Okay, alright.
Looking for some real, he stuck in a deep search. Anxiety killing me, I just wanna leave Earth. When they ask if I'm okay, it just make everything seem worse.
Fucking, that's deep, bro. Anxiety killing me, I just wanna leave Earth. It doesn't mean leave Earth on a spaceship and go to space, you know. No. I'm tired of humans. The anxiety I kill him. He just want to leave Earth. Fucking hell. Alright.
Trying to explain your feelings sound like something you rehearsed.
Whoa. Whoa.
Make everything seem worse. Trying to explain your feelings sound like something you rehearsed. Stab me on my back with a clean smirk.
Same girl. This is the same girl that he just said in the bathroom that Siri are the only woman him have a conversation with. Just stab him in the back with a smirk. She just stabbed him in the back. Literally stabbed him in the back with a smirk. This video is deeper than what it really is. So don't let it go over your head. It's deeper than what it is.
Looking so deep into your eyes, I can read your thoughts. So shut the fuck up, I mean, please don't talk. I done been through too much and I don't need another loss. Put that on.
Fucking hell. There's something in my eye. Okay, all of fame in my eye. That's a message. This video, like let me say, this video is full of hidden messages, dog.
On every war scar for every battle out the BMW. New deposit, I picked up another bag. Like fuck it, I'ma count while I'm in it.
How is this the first time I'm listening to this song? How is it the first time I'm listening to this person? Alright, this is a goat pan the trophy. So basically, the trophy I tell you something. Say him is a goat. The greatest of all time. Because if him say him a Pac rebirth, some people have Pac as the greatest rapper ever. So if him a say that him a Pac rebirth and never put out a weak verse, him a tell you something. You just have to read between the lines, yo.
I hear planes flying, crowds screaming, money counting chains, clanking shit. I guess that's how it sound when you win it. I
Polo G, big up his fucking self, dog.
ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gonna drown when I'm in it.
Rate the artist, yeah. I like his music. I like him flow. I like him style. I like him video them. I like the message in this song. He's so fucking confident, even though he might tell us say he's suffering from anxiety. Like I said, there is a lot of hidden messages in this song. Yo, okay.
I bet she gon' get loud when I'm in it. And we might have a child when I'm finished. When I'm finished.
Did the little boy change say baby cap? Did the little boy change just say baby cap a while ago? Yo, I'm glad say I discovered this artist by myself. I'm glad say I better late than never. This song dropped a month ago and I discovered the artist. Yo, guys. If you don't like the video, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new. Help me to grow the channel. You know, help me to grow the channel and get out there, yeah, with a vibe. Check out the other rest of videos them that I've done also, guys, if you're new here. Yo, big up on yourself. Polo G, big up your fucking self, G. Big up yourself. There's some hidden messages in this song. There's some metaphor, there's some similes, and I hope people pick out a lot of them and make meaning in it. Big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself. Great video. Great song. Great beat. Great 2 verse them bad. Chorus bad. Fuck. We can't fault it. We cannot fault it. We cannot fault it. Big up yourself, my fam. Guys, I'm out of here. You hear that? Big up on yourself. Peace.